PDA Parts presents the BlackBerry 8800 Take-Apart Directions.
Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. This video is copyright AX Microsolutions Inc.
For all your parts and accessory needs, please be sure to visit us on the web at pdaparts.com. Use discount code at checkout YouTube for 5% off your first order for a limited time.
After you remove the battery door and the battery, turn the unit over. Using a T5 Torx driver, remove the 4 screws. With the 4 screws now removed, you'll be able to use a case opener tool available at pdaparts.com to remove the sides off of the 8800 unit. They are just held in with clips, but be careful not to break the clips when removing them. With the 2 sides removed, you'll now be able to remove the back cover. Note at the top, the silver cover will come off with the back. There are now 2 screws. Using the T5 Torx again, remove the 2 screws at the top of the unit. With the screws removed, you'll now be able to separate the front plastic from the rest of the body. At the top of the LCD assembly, there is a connector. You will need to lift the connector ribbon up to free the LCD. The LCD is being held in place with double-sided tape, so be careful when removing it.